it's that time. Let's go find Chris.
I told you about that, man.
No, it's legal! It's legal!
Oh, all right.
It's legal!
This will be today's deal of the day here. So, according to Governor Pawlenty, this is now legal in the state of Minnesota. So, what we're going to do here now, how about this chicken here will represent Mark from Lincoln, Nebraska. He just picked up 3 t-shirts for 99 cents on our HouseGear deal of the day yesterday. And that weak chicken that Dave is holding can represent Kyle from Eden Prairie. He only bought 2 t-shirts. So what we're going to do is the winner of this grueling battle will get a free prize to that particular customer. So let's have a go at it. Hey, it just goes to prove that you can only fight roosters and hens will never get your money. So, why don't we do it this way? Both of the customers can get a free pair of Skullcandy LowRider headphones, and we'll send it to you. And thanks for being a customer at thehousegear.com.